In this video, I'll show you how you can create a YouTube logo on Canva for free. So there are many different types of logos we can create. We can do this all for free, and I'm going to explain everything that you need to do step by step. I'll even show you at the end of the video how you can download your logo and then upload it to your YouTube channel. So what you want to do is go over to canva.com. If you don't have an account on Canva, just go to canva.com. You can sign up with your Gmail account. It will take around 30 seconds. But once you've got your account, go ahead and then go to create a design in the top right hand corner. And what we're doing is we're looking for logo. If you can't find it, just search logo and it should then be here. Now you can either choose YouTube channel logo or logo. They're both going to bring up similar results, but they might give you different templates. So I've clicked on YouTube channel logo and it then opens up these logos that we can then use and edit. Now any logo or any template with the crown icon next to it is going to be a premium template, so you can only use that if you've got Canva Pro. Anything else though, you can go ahead and edit, customize however you want. So again, you can customize logos here from templates. You can also create logos for free from scratch. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up a template. Maybe we want to open up a simple template and edit that. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this one. Now what you'll find is when you click on a template, it will give you more related templates. So if you like a design, click on it, even if you're not that sold on it, and you'll probably get some recommended designs here that you can go and edit. So I'm actually going to use this one because I think this can be easily edited. But again, you can choose any of these and edit the text and elements. So when you click on a logo, it will then apply it to Canva, and then any element that you see here can be edited. So you can see I can click on the background, I can click on this image, this text, and because this template has already been edited, right, we can just go ahead and fill in the text and replace the image. So let's say I'm creating a channel like in the gardening niche, and I'll call it KnowledgeBase gardening. So we'll type KnowledgeBase, and you can see it automatically wraps around because this template's already been edited. And then here we'll put gardening. So now I've typed that out. I'm also going to change the background because I'm not a big fan of this background. Now what I'm going to do is if I click on the background and then click delete on my keyboard, I completely can remove it. And I can go and then replace this background for another image. So if I go to elements, I can then search elements. So maybe I want the sunset or the sunrise. So if I type in sunrise, I can then go to photos, see all, and any element or anything that you see, you can here drag on. But just remember, anything with a crown is going to be for the premium plan. So go ahead and drag whatever you need on. I'm going to drag this image on, and I can also rescale this as well. Now notice how it didn't go into the background. That's no problem. And it gives us an opportunity to fix it and learn something about Canva here. So you want to right click on your layer, and then if you go to the layer, you can send that all the way to the back. Okay, so now we've got our image as the background. We can go ahead and delete these triangles because I'm not too fond on these. So I'll click on one, click delete, and again, I'll do the same. Now what I'm going to do is click on the background again one more time. I can then go to edit photo, and I have all of these effects that I can go ahead and add on. Now what I'm going to try and do is blur out the background or just make it so the text can be seen a bit easier. So we'll go to blur, and we'll blur the whole image, and I'll just kind of blur this background. That looks good to me. So now let's go back. Okay, so there you go. We've blurred the background a bit. This is looking much better. Now all we need to do is replace the image of this wrapper. So again, you can search on Canva for an image. So I'm going to search here for plant. And really I want an icon or like a really cartoony image. So I'll go to graphics and we'll see if we can find one. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and use this one. So I'll drag it on. And I'll also click on this wrapper and delete him. I'm also going to delete this image, and we're also going to change this shape color by going up here to white. Now I can drag on this plant and we can resize that to the center. One last thing I'm going to do because I'm not too happy with it is the text. If I click on the text, you can go to effects, and here you can choose through a range of effects. I'm going to go to either shadow or outline, or maybe even background. So if you click on any of these elements, you can then bring these sliders up and down and edit these. So just edit these however it looks good on your image. So KnowledgeBase gardening. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy the effects from this text onto this one. So this is handy if you're working with more than one text. So you can click on your text or image, click more, copy style, and then you can just click on your text again. Now notice how it also copied the way it curves. I'm just going to change that back. So we can click on our text, go to effects, and here you can see curve. We'll just bring this to -59. Alright, so there you go. There is our logo coming together. One last thing I'm going to do is make sure this whole section is centered. Now to do that, I can go ahead and select all of these elements in the middle. So if I hold shift and then click on all of these different elements, make sure you got everything selected, you can then obviously move it as a block, and I'm just going to make sure this is centered. So I'm pretty happy with that. We can then go to share in the top right hand corner, then click download, and then you can download it as a PNG file. So now we've got our logo downloading. Now what we need to do is go and upload it. So to upload it to your channel, all you do is you go ahead and go to your channel icon, go to view your channel, and then from here click customize channel, then go to branding, go ahead and then click change, and then you can head into your downloads folder and download whatever the logo is called. So you can see it was a music template, so it's now called music channel. So here's the logo. You can go ahead and resize that and click done. Once you're happy with them changes, go ahead and click publish and your logo will go live. Now if it doesn't go live straight away, don't worry, just give it 5 minutes and it will update. That's how to do it. I hope that helps you out.